Hey friends, welcome to Frank's Monster Garage. Let's go find some monster trucks. Whoa, check this out. It's Mr. Loco Punk. Choo choo, so cool. Loco Punk's so cool with gold and black colors. Whoa, who else can we find? Oh my goodness, it's Jurassic Attack with those 3 horns. Wow, so cool. My goodness, who else is that? Those aren't monster trucks at all. That's Lightning McQueen and Tomater. It's kind of like Tomater. It's pretty silly. Yep, we got that goofy face. But let's get back to monster truck hunting. Whoa, it's Town Hauler. It's pretty cool. Who else can we find? Whoa, check this blue one out. This is a new one for 2023. It's Stone Crusher. Wow, that's pretty cool. The blue color looks really neat. You see the rocks on the side? Pretty cool. Whoa, who's this? Oh wow, it's a white bone shaker. White and black, it's pretty cool. Okay, who else can we find? What? That's a Volkswagen Beetle. Wow, it's so pretty. Whoa, it's Mystery Machine. That's pretty neat too. Uh-oh, old Gravedigger's upside down. Old Gravedigger, you're so cool. Whoa, it's Max D. This one's pretty cool too. See, this is Max D on the top. 12-time champion. Pretty cool. Whoa, what's this one? Whoa, it's Bear Devil. That one looks mean. Roar. So silly, Bear Devil. Whoa, who's that? It's Wolf's Head. Wow, it's pretty cool. Huh. Did we find them all? Oh, there's another one right here. It's Necessary Roughness. Wow, this one's pretty cool. It says not Loch Ness, Scotland. Necessary Roughness. Huh. That's pretty cool. It's a good play on words. Oh, look at this. It's Earthshaker. That's pretty cool. Look at these ants doing some work. Let's see all the monster trucks we found today. It's Earthshaker, Necessary Roughness, Volkswagen Beetle, Bone Shaker, Bear Devil, Mystery Machine, Tomater, Lightning McQueen, Town Hauler, Max D, Loco Punk, Jurassic Attack, Old Gravedigger, Wolf's Head, and Stone Crusher. Let's count them. We found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We found 15 vehicles today. That's pretty cool. We'll see you next time, friends.